Alright folks, here we go. This is what? This is, I don't know what number video, but it's the first one for whatever the heck it is I'm doing now. So, this is right inside the doorway to my, I tend to call it office, but it's just a garage. And I use half of it for me and the other half is storage. So, here we go. I'm going to take you on a sweeping look and I'm going to show you some things and I'll explain some of it and maybe you'll understand and maybe you won't. I'm pretty sure you might, but some of you will. Here we go. That over there is the laser in the corner that, I don't know, it doesn't get used. Has been, but it doesn't now. Anyway, it can't because it's all covered with junk. And here's my desk. You may see things, they happen to be legal where I am now, so we won't go into it any more than that. Anyway, yeah, look at it's my mess. It's where my dog stays. Some leather that smelled moldy but doesn't, but might, but I can't tell, so it sits there. And some boxes because I'm getting ready to pack everything up. A better shot at a laser and the mess. But hey, I got a fire extinguisher. Brand new too. And there's all the rest of the stuff. Boxes. All the laser boxes underneath everything there. Place is a mess. That's, we won't talk about that mess. More mess. This is my desk. So this gets cleaned off maybe once every couple months. It's been a little while. And I don't know, altar, whatever you want to call it there. There's junk on it, but my little Buddha and little dream thingy I drew and a vision board which is kind of out of date and some more munchies and other things we won't talk about. And I have this Leathercraft CAD thing. I haven't used it much, haven't figured it out yet. It's all in I don't know, Korean maybe? I can't remember. Anyway, but yeah, that's my mess and right there. And of course I have a trash can next to my desk. It's see my garbage and always coffee there, always. Stuff unused, stuff ready to use, stuff the dog's destroyed. So this is the other half of the garage, just a quick look at it. Brand new instant on water heater and water for the house. Pretty cool. Anyway, so here's the rest of it. This is just storage junk here. Here's all our food storage where we go shopping. And then what we shop from here goes up front into the kitchen. And down on the bottom shelf, you can kind of see there, that's all freeze dried down on the bottom. Behind that trash box, which is my work trash box. And there's more freeze dried and stuff that I didn't have room to put. And more storage stuff in a big pile mess. A sign I bought and never used. All the junk. Hey look, there's Kaya Bear. He sits up there. Anyway, and so more storage junk. All this is going to be gone through. These things here are it's a train set from like Franklin Mint or something. There's the freezers. And a whole bunch of more storage stuff and the bags they deliver our food in and all the storage. There's cast iron down in there somewhere, bottom shelf down there. And I got plenty of coffee going on. We got more storage stuff and extra cat food and a Kachina that I was supposed to fix that I never got to. And this is the wife's hobby stuff that hasn't been touched since we moved in, before we moved in. And cast iron I need to fix. A trash can that is now storage. Boxes for storage to pack stuff up and get it out of here. More boxes, drone pieces that I don't know what to do with. Boxes. Oh, look, there's some leather. Okay, so throw some leather over here. As a display for something. Earrings, I think, and there's some boxes that gotta go away or gotta get packed outside. More stuff to pack outside, more boxes, and some stuff and all my books and stuff, and a dragon kite that's never flown. And you see Babar over there. Yeah, I'm rambling, but hey, we're showing you my neurodivergence. And we'll see if you ever got anything to agree with it. I don't know. Anyway, there's solar panels there, and my books and things, and a TV that is a piece of crap that I got to throw away. Dresser that still has stuff in it, but nobody's touched in 4 years. And here is hats and stuff right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that actually is a mannequin head, and on top of this is all the paper that I'm going to use to decorate all my leather stuff. And here's my work table. Okay, so a pattern I invented, well, I redesigned and added to, and there's the junk and windshield wipers. I forgot, I gotta go put them on the truck and put them there. Little scraps of leather. This is my ongoing project. Looks like a stoned ostrich face, doesn't it? Anyway, and there's the rest of my mess. This is a briefcase that I'm working on for a friend on the East Coast, and there's tools underneath here, and there's a couple of rolls of scraps and stuff that's got to get put away, rulers. This big ass press for me to cut out the pieces that I put in this here little thing, kind of a jig. Computer, turn on my lights.
Got it.
Should have thought of that first, guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, there you go. That's my jig. Stoned ostrich. Anyway, all that stuff down under here. You know what? I don't even remember what all is down here. There's pictures and frames and leather and books, and there's these are the shoes for the dog, and there's more leather, and there's a bunch of dye junk. Here's my sharpener. Anyway, more junk, and down underneath there's more storage crap and junk. Most of it has to do with leather. Some tools. Big piece of wood that came out of a thing that they gave me. Haven't worn those yet. I hate shoes. And more stuff that never got sorted and put away. And dog water and food. The cat likes to lay right there, but that's a stack of stuff. Underneath there is a box filled with Legos. There's all my assorted shoes down there, and there's some more stuff, and there's the press thing. No, you didn't see that. Or that. You didn't see any of that stuff. Anyway, oh yeah, so underneath my desk, all that junk, and that's just a BB gun. Anyway, stuff, more stuff. Here's stuff. My friend wrote this. He's a cool guy. Mike Atchley. Ding, 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 ding. Mike Atchley. Cool guy. Gotta get the next one. I admit I haven't read it yet. I guarantee it's good. Anyway, the rest of my stuff. This stuff got put here because I gotta pack up all this liquid and spray stuff, so it's gonna get wrapped in this, and then that's gonna get stuffed in here. And there's all my thread, and there's more junk under there. Incense. Look at. Can't tell I like incense. There's more junk, leather stuff, and patterns, and things, and tapestries, and gloves, and more racks and stuff. And look, some propane, and that's the boxes already packed. Got to go out. Those ones got to go out. There's a chair. There's a Mr. Buddy heater. More crap underneath there. There's dog food. He doesn't get this yet. He doesn't get it quite yet. When he's almost done, I'll mix it up and my scale, because I'm fat and I like to make sure I am losing at least a little bit of something. Junk. Wife's chair hasn't been used in 4 years. More stuff. All right, and up top here, there's some dinosaurs that came from the mother-in-law. We're gonna throw them away. I like them. I think they're cool, little stuffy things, and some other saved stuff. And there's some more junk that I gotta sort through. There's tarot cards there, though. They're good tarot cards. That's the first hat I ever made, and stuff that I was gonna do stuff with and never did stuff with. And this thing here is you get it wet and it stays like super cold. It's pretty cool. Anyway, stuff. There's Coyote, or Wile E. Coyote. I am. More stuff, stuffy. There's all kinds of stuff. See, spray painted the styrofoam head and I had to stop because it started to melt. Hat. And there we go. That's not a helmet or nothing. It's just a skull that I was making, and I just had nowhere to put it, so it fit there, and that's where it went. That one's a full head mask and a plague doctor and a dragon and some pieces and a pouch that I ripped apart because part of the leather sucked. And there's a pouch I won from my leather pattern guy. That's pretty cool. I won that on his YouTube channel. I know you don't give a damn about any of this stuff, but I'm rambling anyway. So here's that, and the dragon, and a unicorn, top hat, corset top hat, purple goggles. What else? We got some other goggles there, my pirate hat, and some more junk and junk and junk and stuff and junk and little junk. And there's all my other hardware stuff. And under here, look at a Barbie. Maybe someday it'll be worth some money. I'll make some money off of Barbie. There. Anyway, there's my plans for my trailer that is sitting outside getting wet. More tools and some medications and some supplements. All right, so I'm gonna climb over stuff here. Hope I don't die. All right, so there's a battery vacuum sucker thing. Anyway, pretty cool. Pretty cool. And this is what I figured out from my leather here. Leather I don't care about because I bought it and it turned out to be something that I didn't read well enough and I don't like it. I love the color though. And there's more boxes and more leather stuff. Right, here's my leather here. These things, right here, it's hard to see. They swing. These are racks for horse blankets and stuff. And I just put them into the 2x4s in the wall. See, there's more. I got a dust. And here's some. All right, and here's the black one. There's one. There's 2 pages of 2 pages of black and another brown, some other browns. Almost all of these have more than one hide on them. There's smaller pieces. This one, this fake stuff, it's falling apart. So I don't know what I'll do with it. Gray stuff, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. Anyway, here's some and brown, white, and pre-embossed stuff. This one's pre-embossed too. That's a whole hide. And there's a pre-embossed. It's really thin. Some thicker stuff. And didn't think this stuff was going to be so sparkly shiny. Anyway, other pieces. It came in an assortment of stuff. A grab bag. This stuff I bought from a recycle place. It's actually leather, like plastic. It was intended to make fire helmets. And so, but now it's gonna, this here is a mannequin head. That's what I said before. And so the rest of the pieces are getting cut out of that. And it doesn't stay, so I had to stick it in the box. This is the junk, and this is junk, and here's all the seats I took out of my truck because I was boondocking 3 years ago and I never put them back. And that's pretty cool, huh? Can you guess what that is? That's a tire that blew on a trailer that I didn't know it blew, and I drove for God knows how long like that. And a dog, and a gargoyle, and a half-defunct emergency kit, and parts and stuff and more stuff, and the dehydrator, and anyway, all this stuff, computers that I intend to take apart and put back together and to my new computer. There are tools in there. There's all this stuff here. Piece of marble I got from my sis. It fell and broke, and that made me sad, but it still works. I use it for punching and pounding on leather things sometimes. Anyway, and in my books, I got all kinds of stuff here, like I could live for a while in the woods. Need books, and these things don't really need much back there. I can't move this, it's too heavy, and stuff I don't need, and storybooks, and spirituality stuff, and dragon tail, more books, and some more stuff. It's good stuff, and whatever. Anyway, anywho, there is my Deadpool Monopoly. And that's it. So that's your introduction to this Neurospicy hippie Leatherman guy. And I just knocked all kinds of sweat. How did I do that? It's not even possible. I didn't even touch that. Alright, anyway. So there we go. We will see you the next time. I am going to set up my camera. This is the phone. The camera is going to be set up somewhere over here, like that, or something. Maybe moved, I don't know. So you can see my pack process, because everything in here has to get sorted and packed because we got to get the hell out. Anyway, love y'all. See you next time. Stay tuned.